Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by giving permission quickly. This is the single required prerequisite. Open Settings, then Apps and Notifications, and find Special App Access. Tap Notification Access. Enable the app you will use to read history. Once done, make sure the toggle is active and accept any system prompt. This step is essential because without access, the system won't log past notifications for third-party readers. Make sure battery optimizations don't restrict that app, so it can record entries continuously. You now open the notification history interface to browse captured items. Once inside, use search or filter by app to cut through noise. This helps find a message quickly. Make sure to switch between chronological and grouped views if available, because some systems collapse repeat notifications. Tap any entry to reveal full content, timestamp, and app package info. If the item is missing, check the recording start time. Only notifications after access was granted will appear, so timing matters. You finish by exporting or saving any important entries so you don't lose them. Use the app's share or export feature to backup logs to email or cloud storage. This preserves evidence and frees local space. Once done, maintain reliability by whitelisting the app from battery optimizations and data saver features. If notifications are missing, reboot the device, confirm notification access remains granted, and reinstall the Reader app as a last resort. That sequence resolves most permission or corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.